Students, see page number 3rd, all of you. I am reading a new topic. Is there a way one can grow more from the same land? Now, in the previous clip, we have studied in Palampur, land is fixed. So, whatever the fixed land, so people, they can grow more production from the fixed land. So we have to discuss in this paragraph. Listen carefully. In the kinds of crops grown and facilities available, Palampur would resemble means look, a village of the western part of the state of Uttar Pradesh. Crops are grown in Palampur. There are facilities also, road facilities, transport facilities, schools, etc. Whatever the facilities available there, irrigation facilities also. So Palampur, it looks, would resemble means it looks a village of the western part of the state of Uttar Pradesh. All of you know, we are reading about an imaginary village of Palampur. But crops are grown and facilities are available there. So this Palampur village, imaginary village, it looks like one of the village which is located in the western part of the state of Uttar Pradesh. Are you understanding? All land is cultivated in Palampur. Whatever the land, maximum land which is used for the farming, for the cultivation. No land is left idle. Idle means we can say the not active. So land is no land. Land is not left empty without using any for any purpose. Land is used for different purpose also. During the rainy season, that is a Kharif season, farmers grow jowar and bajra. These plants are used as a cattle feed. In rainy season, farmers of Palampur, they grow the jowar and bajra, and these plants are used as a cattle feed also. Whatever the waste material after cutting grains, so waste materials which are used as a feed for the cattle, for feeding cattle. It is followed by cultivation of potato between October and December. Jowar and bajra also grown, as well as in the month of October and December they cultivate potato also. In the winter season, Rabi, fields are sown with the wheat. In winter season, farmers, they cultivate another crop, wheat. From the wheat produced, farmers keep enough wheat for the family's consumption. Consumption means for eating purpose. So we can say that from the wheat production, some parts farmers they keep for their own purpose, for eating purpose, for family's consumption, for eating, for their family members, and rest of the production and sell the surplus. Surplus means extra, remaining whatever wheat at the market at Raiganj. Now they sell surplus, extra production, whatever they left after keeping for the consumption purpose. They sell where? at the market at Raiganj. A part of the land area is also devoted to sugarcane, which is a harvested. Harvested means hair cutting. Once every year, means part of the land, some part which is used for the cultivation of sugarcane in a year. Sugarcane, now I am reading this one, just listen carefully and try to understand. Sugarcane in its raw form or as a jaggery is sold to traders in Shahpur. Sugarcane which is also sold as well as the after processing. So jaggery also sold where in Shahpur to the traders. Now I am reading this one. The main reason why farmers are able to grow 3 different crops in a year in Palampur. Now students, we have studied and we have understood also. Farmers of Palampur, now they are able to grow 3 different crops in a 1 year. Why? Due to the well developed system of irrigation. Because of the well developed irrigation facility is available there. Electricity came early to Palampur because there is a electricity facility also. Its major impact was to transform the system of irrigation. Its major impact means electricity already came there because of the electricity facility. Now they changed the system of irrigation. They changed means previously their system different. Persian wheels were used in past period to draw the water from the well. Till then used by farmers to draw water from the wells and irrigate small fields in past period. But now they change irrigation system because of the electricity. People saw that the electric run tube wells could irrigate much larger areas. Now see this paragraph. Sorry, this one. Larger areas of land more effectively because of the irrigation facility. Now electricity also which is used. So farmers, they can irrigate more area, large area. And how? Very effectively also. The first few tube wells were installed by the government. Now government also initially established some tube wells after that. So now however farmers started setting up private tube wells. Now farmers means they established, installed, set up in their fields tube wells in their fields individually, we can say that. As a result, by mid 1970s, the entire cultivated area of 200 hectares was irrigated because of the good irrigation facilities. By mid 1970s, 200 hectares area that was irrigated means maximum area which was supplied by water through the irrigation facilities. Now here you can see this paragraph. I am reading, just try to understand. Not all villages in India have such high levels of irrigation. Apart from the riverine plains, coastal regions in our country are well irrigated. In contrast, plateau regions such as the Deccan Plateau have low levels of irrigation. Of the total cultivated area in the country, a little less than 40% is irrigated even today. In the remaining areas, farming is largely dependent on rainfall. Today also, in our country, we can say so many villages are there. Farming is dependent on rainfall. Now see this paragraph. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping. Underline multiple cropping. What is a multiple cropping? It means to grow more than one crop or a piece of land. On a piece of land means on a particular land, a piece of land, farmers can grow more than one crop within a year. In a year. So this is called multiple cropping system. It is the most common way of increasing production on a given piece of land. The land is fixed. So with the help of the multiple cropping system, farmers can increase production by this way. All farmers in Palampur grow at least two main crops. Farmers in Palampur, they grow at least two crops. Many are growing potato as the third crop in the past 15 to 20 years. Now some farmers, now they grow the potato as the third crop also. Means more than one crops. Means we can say that farmers of Palampur, they are using multiple cropping system to grow more production from the same land, from the fixed land. Now next paragraph in next clip.